Well, Akila Radhakrishnan is the president of the Global Justice Centre, an organisation that aims to enforce human rights. She's in New York. Thanks very much for being with us. So we'll come to the Myanmar government reaction in a second. I want to start with the ruling itself, though. Why is it so significant?
I think the ruling is significant for two reasons. I think, one, we're almost 2 years past the occurrences of the instances against the Rohingya, and we haven't really seen anything change on the situation. You have over 1 million people languishing in camps in Bangladesh and 600,000 people currently under threat. And I think what the court is saying here is, Myanmar, we want to see you do more. We want to see you take concrete measures, and we want you to tell us what you're doing to make sure that this population is protected.
Okay, do you think Myanmar will take those steps? Will they abide by the ruling?
Well, you know, today they said that they've taken note of the decision. But I think that if there's adequate political pressure from the international community, the measures are automatically transmitted to the UN Security Council. The member states of the United Nations, through their individual relationships, can help to make sure that they take actions that can help Myanmar, that will ensure that Myanmar complies with the orders.
Okay, what do these orders and what does the defence by the Myanmar government leave for, firstly, for the standing in the international community of Aung San Suu Kyi?
So I think that it was an extraordinary move for Aung San Suu Kyi to come to court in December. And I do think that it helped, the international community reconsider who they thought she was. She's somewhat been silent and standing behind a shield of the military. And the international community has said we need to give her time and be patient so that she can enact the reform she needs to do. And I think that seeing her stand up in court and deny genocide and deny the existence of this population and ignore the serious harms against them, I think it really helps the international community see with a clearer picture who she might be and what she's capable of doing.
And part of the response, I just want to give you a chance to respond, because part of the comments from the Myanmar government is that agencies, organisations like yours, human rights organisations, have been distorting facts.
Sure. So, I mean, I think that there's a couple of things there. One, the reason that the information that's available is based solely on interviews and documentation of those in Bangladesh is because Myanmar's government has refused to give access to Rakhine State to anybody, including the United Nations expert fact-finding mission. And I think the second piece of it is that they're saying we're distorting the facts because they refuse to acknowledge the existence of the Rohingya. So to them, even saying that the Rohingya are a group that needs to exist and need to be protected distorts it because they believe that they don't exist.
Okay. Akila Radhakrishnan, thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.